Hey guys, today I kind of wanted to talk to you a little bit about a process that we've started doing in the last year, which is thread milling. We used to just always use a tap and rigid tap of the machine, and used to kind of run into a lot of issues where tap would get gummed up, threads get messed up, break a tool, and eventually it just got to be annoying. So we started to do is thread mill stuff. So the part we're doing today, we are modifying a just a little stainless nipple here. So this part actually gets pipe thread, which is even a little bit more different. So it starts off like this. It's already got a bore inside of it to size, and then we take a little bit off the top and thread mill it, as you can see. And what's really cool about it is, say you do have an issue, instead of the tap breaking, getting stuck in the part, the thread mill you just take right out. So we'll show you what the video looks like of the machine running right here, and we're also going to show you the programming that we did to make the thread mill work for this particular part, kind of trick it into doing what we needed it to do.
So what we had to do was draw a vertical wall there instead of drawing the taper, and trick it into thinking that we were using a straight thread mill, allowing just the taper of the actual tool to put the taper of the pipe thread in there, to keep it just doing one pass at the very bottom and using every flute to make the full thread instead of spiraling all the way up out of the hole.